Hey guys, my name is Brett Kiselowski from Print Digital Solutions. We sell printing equipment solutions across Canada and the United States, and over the last couple years, we've focused heavily on direct print to Mylar and craft pouches. Now, this has been hugely popular and is growing exponentially. So if you're looking to print directly onto pouches yourself, this video is for you. We're gonna go through the top 5 most important aspects in finding a successful direct print solution. Number 1 is pretty obvious. It's the printer itself. The printer that we choose is specially designed to have a straight paper path. And the reason this is important for pouches and Mylar bags is that they're delicate, they have a thicker zipper, and they can be tricky to run, especially when you're going up and down through rollers like most print systems would have. The other thing is that this is a toner-based print solution, so the print or the ink sits directly on top of the substrate. This yields you a very vibrant, colorful result. Now, moving on to the second most important thing is your feeder itself. What we find super important in a good quality feeder is one that of course will feed consistently, but it has to feed bags. This is difficult to find. Many envelope printers in the marketplace will not successfully print a Mylar bag with a zipper pouch. So that's very important to find something like that. What we have here, this one is actually top load. The reason that's an important feature is that this is going to continuously feed into the machine, and I do not want the printer to stop while I have to load the feeder. So you can fit about 100 bags in the hopper, and as this starts to dwindle down, I can drop a whole nother set in without the printer even stopping. The next very important aspect is the actual bag that you choose. The most important part about this is the bag's ability to hold onto the toner that's printed. So pretty much every bag will be able to print, but what changes from bag to bag is the ability for this to actually hold the toner. If you give it a scratch test and that toner comes off, that means that when you go to fill the bag, that toner is just gonna chip and fall off everywhere and yielding you a poor result. The other most important thing is the zipper itself. A lot of people, especially the cannabis industry, are using child-proof bags. Those will work, certain bags, but the zipper thickness, of course, is important. It's going through a digital printer. So you have to be mindful of the bag that you're using. PDS carries a range of digitally printable bags, and I urge you to contact us to be able to get those directly. The next in line would be the artwork itself and how to set this up. So there's going to be non-printable zones here, which would be the zipper itself, 1/8 of an inch on all sides, and the line where the gusset begins. You can print on the gusset within reason, but that line itself is going to be a non-printable zone. Take a look at this time lapse where we run 50 bags straight over the span of 3 minutes. That's an expected output of up to 1,000 bags an hour. Number 5 is finding the right partner to work with. PDS has spent hundreds of hours piecing together the right end-to-end solution to help you be as successful as possible when direct printing on bags. It's not just from the printer that you choose, but in assistance with installation, with guidance of the proper print settings, going through step by step of everything we talked about today, but in way more depth. On top of that, it's the future service and support where you can give us a call anytime, speak to an expert technician that can walk you through some of the issues or questions that you have in order to be successful. So at the end of the day, PDS is here for you and we're just a phone call away. So give us a shout, click the link below. We've got more videos to come. I look forward to talking to you. Thanks, guys.